Welcome to this video on the confidence crisis in U.S. higher education. We will explore organizational strategies for restoring trust, relevance, and legitimacy in the age of AI, based on research by Dr. Jonathan H. Westover. Over the past decade, institutional trust has dropped by 33%. While the public still values education, there is a clear rejection of the current operational delivery model, driven by rising costs and financial pressures. Four main factors are driving this skepticism: costs, perceived politicization, workforce misalignment, and AI anxiety, with the fear that traditional degrees may soon become obsolete. Higher education is failing across three dimensions of legitimacy: pragmatic, moral, and cognitive. These gaps are fueled by financial aid challenges, ideological constraints, and the rise of alternative credentials. This creates a, quote, confidence death spiral. Declining trust leads to lower enrollment, which increases financial pressure, forces operational cuts, and ultimately degrades the student experience, further validating public skepticism. The impact of this fallout is significant. It affects low-income students by creating uncertainty, damages the relationship between faculty and institutions, and hurts local economies and employers. Rebuilding trust isn't just a messaging task. It requires operational engineering. Institutions must recalibrate their value propositions and demonstrate genuine responsiveness to public concerns to win back confidence. Our first intervention is radical transparency. By implementing public dashboards and tracking outcomes, institutions like Georgia State have successfully increased applications by demonstrating clear value. Next is structural cost restructuring. Prioritizing efficiency over tuition discounting helps lower costs. Purdue University, for example, funded a tuition freeze through procurement optimization, boosting confidence among residents. The third intervention involves procedural neutrality and pluralism. Institutions that maintain a neutral academic forum, like the University of Chicago, attract students by fostering robust and open intellectual debate. Fourth, deep workforce integration is essential. Programs like those at Northeastern University, which feature mandatory co-ops, demonstrate high employment success and provide clear career pathways for students. Fifth, we must adopt an AI-augmented paradigm. Rather than seeing AI as a threat, institutions like Georgia Tech use it as a tool to lower costs and enhance the educational experience. Higher education must redefine its psychological contract. Moving from implicit promises to explicit, program-specific outcomes helps align institutional goals with the needs of students in the AI era. A blueprint for systemic resilience relies on participatory engagement, distributed accountability, and transparent delivery. This creates a system capable of self-correcting before crises escalate. In conclusion, restoring confidence is an absolute necessity for social mobility and democratic stability. Legitimacy is never permanent. It must be earned continuously through operational alignment with economic realities.